Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Kyle Abel Ripuya, and welcome back for another video. So right now guys, we're here in Expo Dubai 2020 and we're going to explore the place kasi yung mga friends ko, nakita ko talaga yung mga pictures nila recently and sobrang ganda ng place. It's just that medyo naging busy ako sa work ko and ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog and ngayon lang din nakapasyal. Actually katatapos na ng duty ko and pumunta kami dito directly. So for today's video guys, samahan nyo ako na mag-explore nung lugar inside. Right now we're here in the entrance. Ayan, as you can see, sobrang daming tao. Hindi pa masyadong ma-appreciate yung designs. Ayun, kung nakikita nyo. Pero I think merong mga lights yan and it's like neon. Nakita ko dun sa pictures and makikita rin natin yan mamaya. So right now guys, we're here in the entrance with my friends and papasok na din kami. So samahan nyo ako guys na explore yung place and let's find out kung ano nga ba talaga ang meron sa Expo Dubai 2020. Let's go! Hey guys! So we're here na inside of Expo Dubai. So ayun, sobrang ganda dito and nakaka-amaze dun pa lang sa entrance. Actually na-amaze na ako. How much more pag may mga lights na mamaya. Medyo maaga kami pumunta kasi maaga ako nakapag-out for today. And ayun, medyo natagalan lang din kami dun sa pagpasok dun sa entrance kasi sinusunod pala nila yung protocol and it's like parang nasa airport ka talaga na chine-check nila, ini-scan nila everything. And hindi ko na siya nakunan kasi medyo strict sila on that side. But we're here na inside and I'm with my friends. Ayan, friend lang actually. Dalawa lang kami. Hinintay ko pa yung pamangkin ko. Medyo na-late lang siya. Ayan. Her name is Lovely. Say hi. So we're here na and dadiretso na din kami later sa loob para mas makita pa kung ano talaga yung mga nasa loob ng expo. Pero syempre guys, ayun, sa entrance pa lang, medyo pasabog na talaga ang expo. Sobrang ganda na. As you can see, ayan, we're here. Ayun, gusto ko magpa-picture doon. Nakita ko yun sa picture ng friends ko before. And I really like it. Ayan. So ayun, pasok tayo guys. Let's go! Ayan guys, ayan siya yung mga nag-welcome ng mga tao. Actually, nagsasalita siya.
When did Iraq women's national football team play its international match?
Diba? Sobrang cool. Kasi nagsasalita siya tapos nag-a-ask siya ng mga questions. Pasok pa tayo sa loob. And ang daming tao. And kung na-notice nyo guys, hindi na ako nagmamask kasi before kami pumasok dito sa loob, chinek nila yung vaccinated card namin. Kung fully vaccinated na kami. And that's the time na makakapasok ka lang together with your ticket. So kung nakikita nyo, merong mga tao na hindi na talaga nagmamask kasi okay lang din na hindi ka magmask sa loob. They allowed it. So, mas nakakatuwa kasi mas mai-explore mo talaga yung lugar and mas makakapag-vlog ako ng maayos, which is advantage yun sa akin. So, andito na kami. Papasok na kami sa loob. Hey guys! So, right now, yan, I'm with my friend and papunta na kami sa Russia Pavilion. Ayan. And isa sa mga reason din kung bakit yun talaga yung una kong pupuntahan kasi I'm gonna meet my friends. Isa sa mga friend ko din in YouTube, si Ate Honey. And i-treat niya daw kami ng juice and coffee dun saan. Dito kasi siya nag-work. And ayun, kasi medyo expensive din talaga yung food dito inside the expo. So, ayun. Siyempre, grab natin yung opportunity. Ayan guys, so malapit na kami sa Russia Pavilion. Kasama ko yung friend ko. Ayun, interviewin muna natin sa, ayan. Lovely. Ano naman masasabi mo sa, sa pag-visit mo dito sa expo?
Amazing. Wonderful. Grabe. As in, second time ko na to pero gusto ko papalot ulit everyday.
Oh, diba? Even minamiss talaga ako and for sure mamaya pag pag nag-on na talaga yung mga lights dito. For sure, sobrang ganda nito. Kasi ngayon pa lang nakaka-amaze na talaga sila. So later guys, let's find out kung ano pa yung mga makikita natin. At ano pa yung mga something na ma-amaze tayo later. So, we'll keep you posted guys. So right now, hahanapin muna namin si Ate Honey. Kasi medyo nakakaligaw siya. Sobrang laki na tong expo guys. I didn't expect na ganito siya kalaki. Parang siyang Global Village na upgraded. Kung nakita niyo yung previous vlog ko before sa Global Village, parang ganun siya pero mas upgraded siya. And basta sobrang ganda siya. So later guys, see you again. We'll be right back.
I can't get no nights off. Truly I'm feeling it. I have to be in the sky. Well, I have to control the time. The timing is hard, I can't lie. I promised you I would fight through the night. You'll feed the roots, you'll feed the trees. You feed the fruit that was given to me. Yes, but I'm ready. And we're part of something way bigger. And you're gonna
would just stop singing for one moment, you would realize we have an actual problem here.
You can't exactly merge like you're singing about today. We need you over there to be shining all day. And the moon needs to travel all through the night.
We need you for gravity. We need you for tides.
Stop being selfish and listen to my voice.
The galaxy needs you. You don't have a choice.
You shine in the day.
You shine in the night.
This coupling can only just end in a fight. Now what is your purpose? What is your power?
You're the day, you're the night, not just any old hour.
You're looking at her like she's some golden prize.
Ayan guys, so sobrang dami mong pwedeng makita. Ang dami naming pinaghintuan. And finally, yan, nakita ko na rin yung Russian Pavilion. Ayan, and we're on the way na rin para makita si Ate Honey. Kasi I think mag-out na rin siya sa work niya. And sobrang ganda talaga dito. Wala akong masabi. And thanks God we're here na in Russian Pavilion. I'm gonna show you guys. ayun na si Ate Honey. I'm the only one channel and then nag-vlog lang rin ako kanina. Nagkita na kami guys finally and ayun, may bigay siya sa akin. Thank you Ate Honey. Ayan, dyan si Ate I'm the one. So mag-iikot-ikot muna kami guys. Magmamaritas muna kaming dalawa, okay?
Thank you.
We'll be right back later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Ayun, so nagkita na kami ni Ate Honey and sobrang bait niya, sobrang humble. Isa din sa mga friend ko in YouTube. She gave me a present na cup, ayan, from Pavilion of Russia. Ang cute niya actually, tignan niyo. Nakakatuwa and syempre binigyan niya ako ng orange juice. Binigyan niya kami actually with my friends. So later, mas mag-explore pa kami pero medyo pahinga-pahinga lang muna. Kalma lang muna kasi sobrang laki talaga ng Expo Dubai guys. And kung yung one day siguro feeling ko hindi mo kakayanin kasi sobrang dami mong pwedeng makita. Though mag-i-enjoy ka talaga, pero kailangan mo ng time para ma-explore mo talaga yung place. So later guys, samahan niyo ako na mag-explore pa ng mga different pavilions na makikita here in Dubai Expo 2020. Hey guys! Welcome back and ayun, papasok na kami sa Russian Pavilion. Tignan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Kasi each pavilion meron silang different activities inside and tignan natin kung ano yung meron sa loob ng Russian Pavilion.
Its interconnections. Just one word. Cooperation.
Lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little vice.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back. So, it's been a long day and nakakapagod talaga na mag-ikot. Sobrang ang dami naming napuntahan, which is hindi ko na alam kung paano ko i-compile yung videos na mga nakuha ko. But anyway, sobrang enjoy dito sa Expo. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo yung background ko, Expo 2020. Sobrang recommended itong place na to. Kaya magsasara na siya by end of the month and we're not sure kung anong plan nila dun sa mga places na ginawa nila dito sa Expo. So, I'll give you an update guys once na may bagong pakulo ang Dubai dito sa Expo. But for now, ayun, uuwi na muna kami kasi sobrang pagod na. And medyo masakit na rin yung paa ko. But probably babalik ako dito siguro by next week again to vlog yung mga different pavilions na hindi pa namin napuntahan para worth it naman yung ticket na binili namin kasi only yung ticket na binili ko, which is pwede ko akong bumalik anytime as long as valid pa yung ticket ko. So thank you so much guys and I hope you enjoy the place and see you again on my next vlog.